I now request Mr. Ganesh Govin to render the welcome address. Thank you.
Namaskar and good evening. On behalf of Guru Sri Dharmajan and the parents of all the performing artists, I extend a cordial welcome to Sri Anurag Bhushan and Mrs. Neeta Bhushan, Mr. Ramesh Panikar, the President of Indian Social Center, Mr. M.A. Salam, the General Secretary of Indian Social Center, and Mr. D. Natarajan, the former President of Indian Social Center. I would also like to welcome all the dignitaries and the friends and the family here to take some time out of your busy schedule and bless the children here. So to start the evening, I would like to request Mrs. Vinita Vinod to bring Mr. Anurag Bhushan to stage, please. And Mrs. Sita Lakshmi Ganesh to guide Srimati Neeta Bhushan. Mrs. Radha Swaminathan to guide Ramesh Panikar. Mrs. Indumadi to guide Mr. M.A. Salam. I would like to request Mr. D. Natarajan, former President of Indian Social Center, to join us in the stage, please. May I request Mr. D. Natarajan to honor Mr. Anurag Bhushan. Okay, I would like to welcome Mr. Sudhir Shetty, President of UAE Exchange. Please come on stage, Mr. Sudhir. So, if you can get all the things here. May I request Mr. Natarajan to honor His Excellency, Mr. Anurag Bhushan. You bring it. Mrs. Neeta Bhushan. No, Ramesh Panikar. And Mr. Ramesh Panikar. I request His Excellency Mr. Anurag Bhushan to start the evening by lighting the Kuttuvilaku together with Mrs. Neeta Bhushan, Mr. Sudhir Shetty, Mr. Ramesh Panikar, and Mr. M.A. Salam. And I would like to request Guru Sri Dharmajan on stage, please.
I now request our chief guest of the evening, Mr. Anurag Bhushan, to say a few words to enthuse the budding artists.
Dignitaries on the dais, ladies and gentlemen, It is a great pleasure and a very happy experience to be among all of you. There have been many consul generals in Dubai, and I do not know how many of them have come here to preside over a function. But let me tell you, there are two reasons why I am so different from all other consul generals who have been in Dubai. I am the only consul general who has a house in Dubai, in Abu Dhabi. And I am the only consul general whose wife works here. So in the sense, Abu Dhabi is like my in-law. So it is like coming back to Sasral to be with my wife at the same time to be with you all. Such a happy experience. Thank you one and all for being today with us, with the participants. Arangetram means ascending to the stage. It's a very important padav, as we call it in Hindi, a very important station for a budding artist. And I'm very, very proud to be here on this day to witness their performance. I'm as eager as all of you to see them. I feel very encouraged that there are so many people here to witness this important occasion. This, what we are going to see today, Bharatanatyam and Mohiniyattam, are the two of one of the most evolved elements of Indian classical dance. And when I see today, I feel so encouraged that there are children as young as 5 or 6 years I see here, and to very, very old and experienced people. And I find this is how Indian cultural tradition is being kept alive, and how all of you have ensured that your children come here and witness it, and thereby keep this classical tradition alive. I thank all of you. I also noticed that today is a very colorful occasion, and I and Mr. Shetty are the two people who are not wearing very appropriate colors. Next time we will ensure that we are also appropriately dressed. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Just like all of you, I'm also very keenly looking forward to today's event. Once again, I thank Indian Social Center and Nityanjali for inviting me as chief guest on today's occasion. It's a great honor, and I humbly accept it. Thank you very much.
I now welcome Mr. Sudhir Shetty, President of UAE Exchange, to share a few words.
Chief guest of the evening, Honorable Consul General Sri Anurag Bhushan Ji, Madam Bhushan Ji, and all the dignitaries on the dais, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. We have seen the Consul General of Dubai coming to Abu Dhabi for a function for the first time. I don't remember in the last 24 years where I am here, have seen any of the Consul Generals coming to Abu Dhabi. Of course, he has reason more than one to visit Abu Dhabi, that's a different thing. But he is not only today present here for such a wonderful program, he makes it a point to attend most of the Indian programs wherever it is being held. He is very active socially, and he is like most popular Consul General in Dubai, I can say. It's a great honor for us that he is here to bless the 8 artists who are going to perform tonight. And I must really, my pranams to Master Dharmajan, who has made these buds to blossom. And today they are performing here, and it's a great occasion for all of us, because we don't really feel that we are away from India, because almost every week we have the different cultures of India being projected here in various forms and various art forms. I would like to congratulate the parents of these artists, because it takes a lot of effort and lot of persuasion to make the children perform. And these art forms, Bharatanatyam and Mohiniyattam, is not something which you can really master overnight. It requires a lot of continuous practice and then to come to this stage. I really congratulate all the parents and I wish all these artists all the very best in their future endeavors. Thank you.
I now welcome Mr. Ramesh Panikar, President of ISC, to say a few words.
Mr. Anirudh Bhushan, Consul General, Mrs. Bhushan, Deputy Chief of Mission, Mr. Sudhir Shetty, Mr. Prashant Mangat, Mr. May Salam, Mr. Nadarajan, ladies, gentlemen, and children, a very good evening to all of you. As a leading community organization, India Social Center has always been facilitating such debut performance of our children on a very regular basis. Even yesterday we had a Guru Puja, and even before 1 week, so it's a daily regular happening here. And Mr. Bhushan said about the costume assumes according to the requirement of the occasion. So I also take this opportunity to officially welcome Mr. Bhushan onto the dais of India Social Center. It's his first maiden appearance in ISC, and a hearty welcome to you, sir. So as I was telling, Mrs. Bhushan is also relocated to Abu Dhabi, and we would be having her regular presence in ISC functions. Even she was present here yesterday, and I extend a warm welcome to her also. This organization, with its state-of-the-art facilities, providing a lot of support to the community here, and the biggest beneficiaries are the parents over here, those who have taken the pain of training their children, putting them in the right track, and bringing them all onto the stage in a very budding age. And we are not short of experienced teachers also over here. There are so many institutions and teachers imparting training to the children in bringing them up in different disciplines such as music, art, dance, or any form. So these are happening in Abu Dhabi on a very daily basis, and our parents are taking the most trouble in training their own children, but as a duty they do it very religiously. And I wish to congratulate the children who are appearing over here and performing today, and my good wishes to them, the parents also. And I would also request all of you to patronize the facility of India Social Center as a community organization. If at all, those who have not taken any membership in India Social Center so far, our membership is open to the public. Please do become a member of this great institution, not alone for enjoying the facilities, but by being a member, you are part of a very vibrant community which can offer different services to the community. And even tomorrow we are organizing a meeting over here to discuss on the ways and means of extending our support to the earthquake victims in Nepal. So we want you to come out with your support, not alone we are not expecting any in monetary support, but at least in the form of clothes, medicines, bed sheets, tents, whichever way you can do, please come. ISC is facilitating such arrangement here. And if possible, come and part of the meeting tomorrow 8 o'clock, share your thoughts and opinion with us. We are in fact going ahead with such services in ISC. Once again, my good wishes to all the children and the parents on this day. Thank you.
I now request Mr. M.A. Salam to say a few words. He is the General Secretary of ISC. Welcome, sir.
Distinguished guest on the desk. Ladies and gentlemen, my dear children, good evening to you all. Just I am here to wish all the children to going to perform here. God bless them, and thank you. Thank you very much.
I thank our wonderful guests for the words they shared with us. It was inspiring. க்ளோஸ் பண்ணாலும் சரி